Diamond Star 6 Delta Sierra, fly heading 150, maintain 3000, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 20, 526 Delta Sierra.
Diamond Star 6 Delta Sierra, connect Charlotte departure. Have a good day.
Order departure. Have a good day. 526 Delta Sierra.
290, jet 416.
Departure, been at the 116 Alpha, with you, climbing to 4000.
Charlotte departure, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra, 1500 for 3000.
Alright, number 1116 Alpha, Charlotte departure, ready to contact. Number 526 Delta Sierra, Charlotte departure, IDN, Charlotte, somebody 3011.
IDN 3011, 526 Delta Sierra.
Altitude.
Diamond 526 Delta Sierra, off of your, I'd say about 2 o'clock, and 45 miles is the area of moderate to heavy precip, 10 miles in diameter, moving eastbound at 20 knots with a gust front in it. As you get closer, I'll keep you advised of it, and I'm thinking we'll probably be able to go right behind it and keep you on course, but I'll keep you updated, and if you need anything, just let me know.
All right, I appreciate your help, sir. 526 Delta Sierra.
Spirit 1203 to right 170.
Right 170, Sterling 1203.
Jacksonville approach, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra.
Diamond 6 Delta Sierra approach.
Yes, sir. Looks like if I shoot direct Cecil, I'm going to come on the backside of that heavy cell. Do you agree with that?
Number 6 Delta Sierra, affirmative. I do agree with that. I think if we go on about a 170 heading, it'll put you just behind it and in front of the next wave of moderate precip, about 10 miles in trail of it.
All right, we will do heading 170, 526 Delta Sierra.
Number 6 Delta Sierra, roger.
Jax approach, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. It's looking pretty dark right in front of me. It looks a little better off to the west. Am I better off going, say, direct Cecil until I get past this thing?
Number 6 Delta Sierra, yeah, we definitely don't want to try to chase the front of it. You'll be offshore at that point. So your heading right now was 170 signed?
Correct, on 170.
Number 6 Delta Sierra, roger. Turn right heading 190, point just between Navy Jacksonville and Cecil. It should put you right behind the trailing edge of the moderate stuff.
All right, we'll go 190, 526 Delta Sierra.
November 6 Delta Sierra, turn right heading 210.
210 for 526 Delta Sierra.
Delta Sierra, turn left heading 180.
Left 180, 6 Delta Sierra.
November 6 Delta Sierra, turn right heading 200 again. That wind from the west is strong.
Alright, turn right 200, 526 Delta Sierra.
November 6 Delta Sierra, descend and maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, 526 Delta Sierra.
Flagler Tower, I am just right now turning on a 3 miles final. Where's the diamond?
About a half-mile final. And correction, he's over the runway now.
Roger that. Thanks, 32.
Flagler Tower, Skyhawk 902-266, we're 3 miles from the west.
Skyhawk 266, report midfield left downwind runway 29.
Or midfield left downwind runway 29, 266.
Flagler Tower, down to 526 Delta Sierra, holding short of 24.
And Diamond calling tower, hold short runway 24, wait now for release.
Alright, hold short 24, 526 Delta Sierra.
Runway 256, Delta Sierra, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 24, 526 Delta Sierra.
Just 55 Delta, runway 24, clear for the option, partner Diamond ahead of you.
55 Delta, clear for the option, runway 24.
Diamond 6 Delta Sierra, fly runway heading, climb maintain 3000, contact departure, have a good flight.
Alright, runway heading, maintain 3000, contact departure. Have a good day, 526 Delta Sierra. Daytona departure, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra at 700 for 3000.
526 Delta Sierra departure, right?
Hi, Dan, 6 Delta Sierra.
Diamond, correction number 343 Sierra Alpha, descend to 2000.
2000, 3 Sierra Alpha.
526 Delta Sierra, contact leaving 900, climb maintain 3000, turn right heading 270.
Climb maintain 3000, right 270, 526 Delta Sierra.
Diamond 6 Delta Sierra, turn right direct Craig and resume on navigation.
Alright, direct Craig, resume on navigation, 526 Delta Sierra.
Diamond 6 Delta Sierra, contact Daytona 118.5.
Order 118.5, 526 Delta Sierra.
1885.
1885, 526 Delta Sierra.
Altitude.
Daytona, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra, 2000 for 3000.
Alright, 6 Delta Sierra, Daytona approach, maintain 900,000.
Maintain 900,000, 526 Delta Sierra. Columbia approach, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra.
Number 6 Delta Sierra, Columbia.
Yes, sir. Any chance we could get a little lower? We're getting around freezing level here in a light mist. Can we drop down, maybe get a little warmer temperature?
6 Delta Sierra, descend and maintain 3000.
Down to 3000, 526 Delta Sierra.
Roger, thank you. November 526 Delta Sierra, advising to get Concord in sight. 12 o'clock at about 10 miles.
526 Delta Sierra has field in sight.
November 6 Delta Sierra, cleared visual approach runway 2 at Concord. Your radar services are terminated, but maintain your beacon code and contact the tower, 134.65.
Alright, over to tower. Cleared for the visual on 2. Have a good day, 526 Delta Sierra.
You too.
Concord Tower, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra is 9 to the south.
CoStar 526 Delta Sierra, Concord Tower, report a 4 mile straight in final, runway 20. Runway 2.
Report 4 miles straight in final for 2, 526 Delta Sierra. Concord Tower, Diamond 526 Delta Sierra, 4 mile final for 2.
526 Delta Sierra, clear to land, runway 2.
Clear to land on 2, 526 Delta Sierra.